Welcome to our video. We will be exploring the common uses of argon gas. Argon gas has many practical applications thanks to its stable and inert properties. As an odorless, colorless, non-flammable noble gas, argon is useful in situations where an inert atmosphere is required. Preserving reactive substances. Argon is commonly used to preserve reactive substances that can oxidize or deteriorate when exposed to air. For example, many metals like lithium, sodium, and titanium are stored under argon because they readily react with oxygen and moisture in the air. Argon is also used to preserve culturally important artifacts like historic documents, artwork, and museum specimens. Welding and metal fabrication. Argon is frequently used as a shielding gas in welding processes like TIG welding. When metals are heated during welding, argon gas is blown over the welding site to prevent oxidation and contamination of the molten weld pool. This produces a cleaner weld with improved mechanical properties. Argon is also used in plasma cutting, where an ionized argon gas plasma is used to cut through conductive materials. Electronics and lighting. Argon is used to fill incandescent light bulbs and fluorescent tubes to provide an inert atmosphere and increase the lifespan of the filament. It is also used to fill the dead space in double-paned windows to improve insulation. In electronics, argon is used to provide an inert atmosphere for the production of semiconductors and microchips. Residual oxygen and moisture must be removed to prevent oxidation during the manufacturing process. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on common uses of argon gas, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.